Hi guys, welcome to episode 3 of our videos. And if you're new here, my name is Sarah Wanyama, and in today's video we want to talk about businesses that you can open up in 2022. Profitable businesses that need zero to little capital. That's what we want to look at. So the first business that you can start with little capital, disclaimer that this video is courtesy of my followers on IG. We had a conversation of businesses that we can start, and if you want to join me in such conversations, follow me at Sarah Ajiambo on IG. So the first business that was really recommended that you can start with zero or little money is a jewelry shop. A jewelry shop, which means you will be selling earrings, you'll be selling rings, you'll be selling watches, you can be selling necklaces, just a basic jewelry shop, which most of us said that you can start as little as 1,000, 500, 200, and you have your stock. And most times these businesses bring back profit of 100%. So someone acquires earrings that are worth probably 50 bob and sells them at 100 shillings. That is 100% profit. With zero or little capital, you can start it. Why I'm saying zero is that you can download pictures or take pictures of the earrings you want to sell, post it and sell it, then someone pays and you go and get your jewelry. As simple as that. That's one of the businesses you can start. Number 2, second-hand clothes. We call them tumba clothes or thrift. Watu wa squeezy, we call them thrift. So if in that category, all of them are second-hand clothes. Second-hand clothes, you can start with a little amount of money that you can start with, less than 10,000. Actually, that's what I would say. Little amount, less than 10,000, you can start a second-hand or a thrift shop where you go to Gikomba, you go to Toy, to select the best of clothes and sell them. And you can grow your business and start selling bills. Second-hand clothes for children, for men, for ladies. You can thrift all these with less than 10,000 Kenya shillings. Number 3, poultry business. Poultry business, sell chicken. There are different types of chicken, broiler, layers. I'm not sure if butter and geese fall in this category, but what specifically I was looking at was chicken business, where you can buy chicks. Do you know chicks? You can get one chick at 100 bob. You can therefore, if you have 500 shillings, you are able to acquire 5 chicks. 5 chicks. You rear them for 2 weeks, or we call them brooding. You can brood them. Brooding means you buy a 1-year-old chick and you grow it, which has quite some amount of work, but with less than 10,000 shillings, you can get chicks. If you get 20 chicks, that means it's 2,000 Kenya shillings. Then the other amount, if you have more, maybe 3,000, you buy food, you make a small place where you can brood them and then sell them after 2 weeks. You can sell them after 2 weeks to farmers who want to grow them, to sell them when they are mature, or people who want to get eggs. So that's a good business. And the challenges you can get in this business, in the poultry business, is the chicks in case there is an outbreak of diseases and you are not well equipped, or you do not have money to buy medicine, your chicks might die. Or if you do not take proper care of your chicks, they will die, right? So you need to have knowledge about how to take care of chicks to be able to get into this business. Cereal business. Yes, you can get cereals right now. Yani, food is a good business to start because people will eat. People will always be eating. So cereals like selling maize, selling rice, selling beans, kamande, all those things you can buy from the directly from a farmer or a wholesale and retail it, and this you can start it with less than 10,000 shillings. It's a lucrative business, especially in urban areas where people live. Where I live, people boil cereals and we buy. Where we buy retail because it is so hard in urban areas to get a farmer. So you can go source for a farmer and retail your cereals. Number 5, photo mounting business. This is one of my fans in IG who gave me this idea. I have never tried it, but I know, sorry for that noise, but I know that people are big right now on photo mounts. People want to decorate their homes with their photos, so you can be the middleman. You can tell someone, do you have a photo? I want to mount it, and look for someone who mounts them and mount for them, and then you deliver back your product and you have a business. That one you can start with zero capital. So that's a business that you can start. Just look for a good person who will be mounting, and then you look and advertise your business, and there you go. Number 6, soap production or liquid soap production. If you want to learn about this, before I forget, please put down your name down below, or email me your name and your contact, because there is someone who kindly wants to help some of us on how to make liquid soap and sell liquid soap. I saw my cousin do this during COVID when there was lockdown. She was making soap and she was reselling, and she was telling me you literally can get those products with less than 1,000. Can you imagine? With less than 1,000 you get those products. You can make your liquid soap, take them around in homes for washing their floors, for washing their utensils, for washing clothes, and then you have a business and you grow it with your profits. You grow your business. Another business is barbershop and salon business. Why I'm saying it's in the category, I know they are high-end salon businesses, but in the category of less than 10,000 Kenya shillings, is because you can do this house calls if you do not have any equipment and you have the skills. Now this is where you need to learn skills. You need the skills of being a hairdresser to be able to operate this business. So if you have the skills, you can advertise your business. You can start with friends. You do not have anything, just tell them straighten your hair or be ready to be plaited. More often than not, it's the client, or they will send you money to get whatever, whether you're making such braids, to look for the braids and plait them. So you do house calls. You don't have a need to have a physical shop. You go to their houses and make their hair or cut their hair if they are men, and then you get your money. So that's a very good business with less than 10,000 Kenya shillings, and it's doable. There are people who have done it and it is workable. Just get the skills, advertise your business, and you're good to go. Number 8, selling smokies and boiled eggs. Hey, Kenya, Kenyans love these products. So you can set up. I have read stories, I have heard of stories of people who the boiled eggs and selling smokies business has become a boom, and they have gone into other investments just from that business. Just buy a crate of egg, get that trolley which ranges between 6,000 to I think 8,000. That's less than 10,000. Get a crate, then advertise your business, go around and sell your eggs or smokies. These days people even sell them in hot pots. The thing is, stand out, have those that kachumbari sort of things on the side, stand out, and then you will tell me how it goes. Number 9, nail parlor. A nail parlor where we make our nails. Ladies, I love this business, is booming right now because it's the in thing now to have cute nails, there are actually trends for nails. Yani, there are times people put on nude nails, nude color, red color. So it's a lucrative business. You can start just by nail polish and get the equipment needed. You don't need a physical shop. You can also do house calls. You advertise your business. You can get word of mouth. What do you call it? When people refer you, you can get referrals and then grow your business from there. So those are the 9 businesses I have for you that you can start with less than 10,000 shillings in 2022. These businesses are capital friendly, and they are lucrative and profitable business. So you can check them out. You can start a side hustle from this list of businesses in 2022. Thank you for being here and having me. I am glad to have you as well. Don't forget to share this video to help someone, to inform, let someone be informed, let them be inspired, and let them thrive and grow. So till next time, bye.